Yo, what's popping, gang? What's popping, gang? Welcome back to Fast Hand Effects, Homer Blues. Alright, so today we're going to do something quite different. I've been making the series. We had 10 pips a day, gang, but then now I want to do something different, alright? Um, Previous videos have been talking about no back testing, but today I want to do the back testing. So guys, if this is the first time you're watching this channel, or if this is the first time you've come across this video, kindly stick around, and maybe after this video, and if you find this more educative, then subscribe, man. Smash the subscribe buttons, okay? So today I'm going to give you a strategy that I've been using for quite some time, and has improved my winning rate. Okay, so first things first, you need to head over to this indicators, metrics and strategies, then click on that. Then now search for smart money concept. All right, so when you hit that smart money concept over here, then you can click on that looks algo. I don't know if that's right, or lex algo, I don't know. After that, now I believe your chart will be looking like this. All right, okay, so let's begin. Let's now first of all do this. Let's do some replay. Okay, all right, so that's nice. Okay, so this is what I want to show you, gang. This was happening. This was happening. Okay, let's sorry, let's uh do this. Okay, so this is how I do my analysis, and this is how this, I don't know, is this an indicator or I don't know. Either way, it's a smart money concept thing. So let's start the analysis, gang. All right, so let me just show you something, gang. All right, so how do I use this indicator? This indicator usually gives me positions. It shows me where the order blocks are, where the smart money people are, or where there's liquidity, or rather, and it also gives me where I can see where there is a stronger support or a stronger resistance. Okay, so gang, this is now how I usually now take the trade. Now I go to the 4-hour guys, and then look at what's happening in the market. All right, I start the analysis, but then there's this. Now you need to be keen, gang. I just take my buy or my sell when the price is at the support, and the support has to be strong, or the resistance has to be a stronger resistance. So that's the hint, gang. All right, you only take your buy or your sell when the resistance or the support is a strong one. Okay, so now after knowing that, now we go to the analysis. We know that, as we can see, price is still in an uptrend, right? So how do I know that? We have a higher high and a higher low being formed. You can see this was happening. Let me change the color. Let me change this color. Let's give it something like black. All right, okay, so we can see a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, like that. So that's what's happening. All right, then price now came after this, then went up, then now came back for a retest, gang. All right, so you can see over here is written as strong low. So now that price is up over here, I still, what I usually do is I wait for price to go back or come down for this retest on that stronger low before now targeting the wick. All right, so this is how price usually behaves. When price finds a certain zone is strong, of course it will now go back to retest the wick. All right, survival of the fittest, gang. You only test the wick. Okay, so now of course I know that the trend is in an uptrend. So what I'm just waiting for is just strictly buy. But when I take that buy, my take profit should be the previous high, which is now weak. Okay, so let's see, this is a higher high over here. This is a high. Now price has gone back to give this higher low. Now let's say we just missed that entry, gang. So what do we have to do? We just have to wait for price to give us that pullback. Okay, we can see price has already started breaking these structures. Price broke that structure, gang. Okay, So we could have taken that buy entry actually, but now we were late. So let's see how it happened. So let's play that our rewind tool, gang. Let's see let me see the speed. Okay. Oh, that was quite nice. With this rejection, gang, I can take that buy entry over here. All right. Then now make my stop loss below the previous support. I mean the previous candlestick, which is the previous weeks. All right. Then, like I said before, we now have to target the previous high. Okay. But then, just for you not to be greedy, this should be the first take profit, gang. Okay. That should be the first take profit. Okay. So let's do that replay. Boom. Let me remove this. Nice one. So that's smashed again. All right, that's smashed. You can see price has respected this zone. All right. So actually, even if you make your stop loss this tight, you're still safe because price. I don't know how to put it, but let's say this zone is quite strong, so price will not try to go back to retest this. All right. So then that was the first take profit. Like I said before, now this is for swing. Price will always try to go to retest this week, the previous week high, or now that we're buying. All right. So that should be the swing, are about 400 pips. Okay. So let's see. Let me just do this, and do this. Still playing out, gang. Boom. That was hit, gang. So it's just patience. You just need to have that patience, gang. All right. That, like I said, that's strong. The support was strong. That's why price did not hesitate to go back to retest that support, because it was strong. Now price just had to go back to the previous high. That was weak. It was very weak. All right. So let's just look for another pair and see and do that. Let's look for, maybe pick on the USD JPY and then do some rewinding. I'm just going to select any zone again. All right. Okay. So when we see that price is only at a stronger support or a stronger resistance, that's when we do take our entries. For now, for example, this is the USD JPY. All right. Now price currently is at this week up. This support is weak. You can see the smart money concepts is indicating that this support was very weak. So that means it can be broken anytime. That's why even if price goes down to this zone, this support, I will not take a buy. But then we have a stronger high over here. Of course, we can see that price is in a downtrend, gang. Price is in a downtrend. Look at this. So what we are only going to look for are only sells. So we just have to wait for price to go back to this stronger high. Show us some rejection before we take the sell entry. So let's see. Patience, gang. Patience. Let me increase the speed. I don't know. Okay. Right. Let's just go. So for now, I'm not going to take any buy entry. Price is at a weaker low. You can see that was broken. That was broken. All right. We can do nothing. We just have to wait. Okay. So for now, this should be our. Okay. Let me pause that. All right. For now, this should be our entry zone. This strong zone. All right. The resistance. This one over here. This should be our entry zone, and then target the previous week zone. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's still continue replay tool. Okay, let's go on, let's go. We're just waiting for price to go up and touch our resistance zone, then see some rejection before we go in. All right, we can see something's happening over here. Okay, this zone is showing us I mean, it's proving to be strong. All right, over here it's proving to be strong, so let's go. Boom, that was broken. All right, so we're still waiting and see what's happening. Okay, let's go. That's broken. All right, let's continue. Let's continue. Oh, I forgot something, gang. I did not see this. All right, let's just rewind that some more, gang. I did not see the indicator had already showed us that the support was strong. I did not see that, so let's rewind some more. Okay, still okay. Okay, all right. Now over here, now let's remove our sell bias. Now we can see over here has proven that the support is strong, right, gang? This support is strong. Okay, it has not been broken. So now we might wait for price to maybe come down over here before we take that buy. This zone is weak. All right, so let's go. Let's have this, and then that should be the target. So let's go. Patience. So price has not come back. All right, no problem. We just missed that entry. All right, so we just missed that entry either way. Okay, all right. So already we know that this zone is strong. So now price still breaking structures, gang. So you can't do anything. All right. Okay, price coming back down. Come on, baby. Okay. Come on, I did pause, man. Come on, I paused, man. Why is it still playing out? And I did pause. Come on, man. Why is this joint still playing out? Okay, let me go back. Can't understand why. What's happening? Okay. Okay. So okay, we had this. I don't know. My replay tool kept on doing that replay without stopping, and I had that replay pause, man. Okay, all right. So of course we can say we did not take that entry. Now price did not pull back, gang. All right, so we did not take entry. We still safe, gang. Like I said, we only take when price has indicated a zone is strong. All right, so now we have this next zone. Let's see. Okay, we just have to wait for price to come down, then target the previous high. Okay, so let's, I don't know why this one is quite fast. Let me just go step by step. Okay, oh, all right, that's just what's happening currently. So this is the current market, right? So because now I just did that replay, now we can see over here this was the strongest. The previous strong zone was here. You can see this indicated strong. So this is where one had to take that buy entry, gang. You look at this. So taking that buy entry, gang, then make your stop loss below that previous wick, and then your take profit should have been this previous high. And you can see that's what's happened. Price is almost hitting that, gang. Price is almost hitting that. All right. Price is almost hitting that. Strong, then it's targeting high. Let's just look for another pair, but then this time I have to maybe rewind it more. Let me just go back more. Let's go all the way back, all the way back. Okay, let's do this. Okay, gang. Okay, so for now we can see price still we have this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We have this weaker high, and generally let's see the trend. Okay, this was happening. We have this strong low over here, guys. We have this a stronger low. So for now, guys, this strategy just calls for your patience. Look at this. We just have to wait for price to fill all this space. All right. So we just need to be patient. It doesn't matter how many days it will take. But then I prefer to wait for days than to just take my trades anyhow. Let me just wait for all these days, guys, just to be sure. All right. So let's do the replay tool. Okay, now we can see price has given us a new stronger low, gang. Okay, that's nice. We have another one. So you just don't have to wait longer. All right, so let's continue. So we're just reacting to what price is trying to do, or what's happening, or what's price telling us. So we just need price to come back to this support before taking our buy. Come on, baby. Boom. That just happened. Did we miss our entry? Yes, sir. That should have been our entry, or rather. Boom. But sometimes I do like price to get back up till maybe test this previous week. So this should be our first take profit. Let's see. Maybe price might go back and retest this before going up. So let's see. Boom. Smashed. So that's another win, gang. 396. How easy was that? So let's continue playing. So let's just see what price is doing. We just have to react to the market, gang. We only look for something called strong. We don't want to take our trades where something is written weak. No, strong. Only strong high and strong low. So let's go, baby. Let's see what's happening. What's price trying to do? So it's trying. Boom. Price just broke that zone, and you can see when that happened, gang, it really went down. But remember, this zone is weak, right? This is weak, so we still have another strong support down, the one I was telling you about, that we just have to wait. Okay, so if this zone is weak, then that means the previous one is strong, right? So that means for price to maybe break this weaker zone to go back to this zone, of course, we just need another pullback over here before taking that sell entry. Let's go. So this should be our sell entry. Then target this weaker zone. Okay. We just have to react to what the market is doing, gang. So let's do it. So we just need price. Boom. Another one. Okay. Price. We just need price to go up. Then take the sell entry. Okay. Let's do this. So weak. Okay. All right. Okay. That's not broken. And if it turns strong, then now we go in for buy from the low. All right. So for now we can't do anything. All right. At the same time, we can see that this market is ranging, and this is where the money usually is lost. Okay. For now we can't do anything. So let's just be patient. Like I say, I just have to be patient. It doesn't matter how many days, gang. Doesn't matter. Boom. This zone is strong. You can see that price has retested this zone and proven that it is strong, right? So let's wait for now pullback. We don't have to wait for price to go all the way up. We just have now to wait for pullback up to this zone, then now take our sell entry down to this zone, gang. All right, so let's do that. Let's do that. Still waiting. Remember, I've not taken entry. Boom, that was broken. So this is not valid, guys. Now, okay, I forgot to see something. Okay, let me just rewind that once again, gang. All right, so of course this was strong, but then that was the target for sales, but I did not see that price has given us an indication that now the support is also strong, so I did not see that, gang. Okay, okay, boom. Wow, that's nice. So that has just changed the market. So we have now this zone. This is strong. Okay. Remember, we've not taken in entry. I know most of you will be saying, okay, you've missed so many trades. Just waiting. I rather be patient, gang. I just rather have my patience before doing anything. Remember, we've won more than 1,000 pips, gang. All right, we've not taken any L, so we just have to wait for price maybe to go back for that retest and see if we can take a buy. All right, we can take a buy over this zone, so let's go. Okay, okay, so let's see if this zone is strong enough to hold price. Let's see. Okay, let's see if this will hold this market. If it will be strong, then we should be taking a buy here instead of waiting for this. Let's go. Looks strong somehow. That was broken. Went back, so seems like it's a strong support. Boom, broken once again. It's okay. All right. Okay. So now price is still crazy. Okay, let's see. Nice. I believe now it's almost maybe coming back to this zone. Okay. All right. It's nothing. All right. Nothing, nothing, nothing. So all these days we were not taking the trades. Remember, I'm just taking when the support at the 4 hour or resistance the 4 hour is strong. For now, I'm not taking any trades, gang. Okay. Boom. Still weak. Nothing. So maybe if price holds this zone, it will turn to a stronger zone. Then now we'll take our sell entry. It's just a matter of seeing the price action, how it's doing or what's happening. We can then react to that, gang. Okay, so nothing much. Okay, of course I believe in the hourly time frame we had this stronger zone. Let me just show you that, gang. I know in the hourly we had those strong support and resistance, but then I decided not to use the lower time frame using this strategy because sometimes they get broken. All right, that's why I do avoid lower time frame. Of course, we have the hourly and the 15 usually have those stronger um support and resistance only for scalp, gang. Only for scalp you can do on the 15, but then I'm not into scalping. That's why I'm only into the 4 hours. All right, so let me just show you. I believe this should be strong. Okay, Boom, like I told you, gang. Look at this. That was strong. This is strong. Okay, but the 4 hour is not indicating the strength now, but I do avoid using the lower time frame for this. I just prefer the hour, I mean the 4 hour time frame, or maybe the daily game. Okay, boom. So maybe you'd have taken your entry over here. Okay, let's see, let's okay, so we can see that zone is strong, gang. And let's see what's happening at the 15. Okay, let's go. Come on, man. At this, actually, when we at the 5, we can see this zone is strong, gang. At the 5, it's indicating it's a stronger low. Okay, it's a stronger low, gang. Strong. That's the 5. Now for the scalpers, gang, though I'm not into scalping, this should be your entry, this zone, or rather this zone. All right, boom. It's not giving us that pullback. Okay, so price still going up, 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 up. Let's see, maybe we are late. Let's see when that zone became strong. Okay, oh, for now it was weak. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's now weak. Okay, now this is strong, so we just have to wait for price maybe to go back over here, this zone. All right, then our stop loss should be below this for scalpers only. Then the previous high. Okay, so this should be a risk to reward ratio of about 1 to 1, because I'm risking 30 to give me 50. Should, okay, price has not yet taken us, so are we going to miss that entry, gang? Let's see. Give it maybe 3. Okay, all right, so I've seen something, gang. I've seen something. Okay, I've seen something over here. So you just have to be keen, gang. Price changed everything. I did, and that I did not see that, right? So let's see. Let's see. So this zone was invalidated. So this is now this previous stronger support. This zone over here. Over here. Okay. For the scalpers. You can see that's strong, gang. That's strong. So you can take that buy right now. Okay, or rather wait for price to maybe try to go back to this zone for the scalpers. Then target that around 30 pips, gang. Let's go. Like I say, you could have waited for price maybe to touch this zone. You can see that's what just happened. Okay, and that was smashed. So that's around 30 pips. But then if you waited for price to maybe come and retest this previous weeks over here for the liquidity, you would have gotten all the way up to 40 pips probably, again, right? So for the scalpers though, and now let's go back and look out for other currencies. Okay, let's maybe look at CAD Swiss franc. Let's go all the way back. All right, gang. So like I said, the first thing you just need to know the general direction. This is now in a downtrend, so let's go. Now for the swing, because that's what I do. I don't um scalp again. So for the swing, just have to wait, okay, 4 hours. You can see, like you've seen, it works also in the lower time frame. That was fast. So we're just waiting for price to give us new structures, give us a stronger zone. Okay, nothing much. So this is not looking good. We need good structures, gang. Good structures. Let's see over here what happened. Let's see. Of course, we have something weak over here, and we have a stronger high over here. So that means price now came all the way from this stronger high, went down. All right. So price just is trying to break this previous low, which is very weak. All right. This is very weak for price to hold, so it's just going to break, gang, to continue down. Okay. So instead of waiting for maybe price to go back for a retest on this stronger high, we just have to see what price is doing. Maybe if a new structure is created or formed that is going to prove a bit hard or strong, that's when we're going to take the entry. For now, we still have nothing to do, but then boom, this zone is strong, gang. This zone is strong. So let's see, maybe we would have taken that sell entry over here with this candlestick. Boom. Oh, come on. With this, boom. Then make our stop loss above that previous high. Then our take profit should be this zone. Alright. So let's see. Boom. Now we hit. Not yet, but then let's see. That was fast. Let me just go step by step before price change. Of course price usually don't move that fast. Okay, so let's go by step and see. Like I say, we react to the market, gang. Okay, right. Now for the scalpers, I believe you took, of course this should have been your first target. The first take profit was here around 60 pips. That is great, gang. You don't have to hold your trades, and when you've seen a blues for some time, you just have to react to the market. Okay, boom. So step by step, still valid, but then now price has broken that previous high. So now this is the time for you guys to cut your losses early before price hit you or takes you out. All right. So boom. So we just took that 33 pip loss. Okay. So this is the time, guys. You just need to monitor your trades, gang. We've seen the market has changed the direction. We've now been showed by the price action that this zone is strong. Okay. So let's see. So this is the zone that we should wait for a pullback and take a buy. Already we've taken that 30 pip stop loss. That's a loss. But remember, we've made thousands of pips. Okay. So that 30 pip means nothing, gang. So let's go. Alright. So did you see that price bounce off this level, gang? Price, let's see what's happening on the lower time frame. Price bounce off this zone, gang. Of course, gang. So this could have been our entry, gang. This could have been our entry. Right? Our stop loss should have been the previous, let's say 29 pips. But then price might still go back, because sometimes you just don't have to chase the price. Might go back for a retest before going up. So when you take that entry, you still have this. You still have to have that in the back of your mind, that price might still pull back before going up. So let's see, baby. Oops, he did not. But when, let's say you took this trade on the lower time frame, gang, you were waiting for this, all right? Remember, I've been this replaying tool is really moving so fast, so I'm not getting those positions so fast. So look at this. The main idea is to show you guys how the powerful, how this tool is that powerful, gang. All right. Even if you introduce the Fibonacci tool, gang, it will just give you the same. This should be 78 zone, gang. 61 or 78. Let's just introduce the fib. Let me first of all do the setting for the fib. Okay. Okay. Come on. Milton. Okay. Let me first of all let me set the fib, gang. Sorry for that. Just a minute. I just need to set this everything right. Okay. We have that. Okay. I need to remove some. Okay. Okay. So let's edit this. Let's edit. We have that, and just a minute. Just a minute, gang. Okay, so let me remove this. Okay, then okay, just a minute. Let me do this. Okay, let me remove one point. This. Let me remove that too, and maybe this. Come on, and let me remove this and maybe give it negative 0.27, and this one should be negative 0.618. Okay, looks nice. And then okay, this should be percent, and okay, let's maybe make that middle, and then give that. Okay, all right, so let's continue. Let's continue now. Okay, come on, man. When we do this game, boom, like I told you, this was 78, so that was rejected, gang. That was rejected. So with that, when you add the fib tool, gang, right? So this is a new higher high, gang. Now price came back to give us a new higher low. Sometimes I usually wait for price to maybe hit 100 before going up. Okay, now that's another strategy. Okay, so let's go. Maybe let me give you another, maybe the last example, gang. Let's maybe look out for another pair, maybe Euro NZD, any pair, you guys. Okay, let me just Aussie JPY. Okay, so with this Aussie JPY, guys, look at this. So it's just now, this is the current market, right? So it's just a matter of time, maybe price to go back for this pullback before now going to give us that. Okay, so patience is the key, gang. So all you have to do is wait for price, before now swinging that all the way up. All right, okay, so far so good. We've only lost one trade, that is 39. Was it 30? Okay, let me see, was it 30? I can't remember, but we've made many pipes. All right, gang, so let's go. Okay, so now we can see price did this, went up, pull back, then this is a weaker zone, so we can't take that buy, gang. No, we just have to wait and see what price is doing or what price is telling us, gang. So let's go, baby. So this is weak, it might be broken, and if it doesn't break, then now it will turn to a stronger zone. That means the previous high is it will be invalidated now. So let's see what's happening. Okay. Oh, come on. So now price is going all the way up. So if it hits this zone, we're ready to sell, gang. Ready to sell. Come on, baby. Let's go. Get your tools ready, gang. Get your tools ready for that sell entry. Of course, even guys, now this is 1 hour, of course. Let's see. I usually take my entries the 4 hours. Oh, right, guys. Look at this. Now this is the reason why I don't like taking my swing on the lower time frame. Look at this. We have that previous high, which is not. Let me see. At the hourly, this zone is strong, but then the 4 hour, this zone is not strong. So we still have a long way to go. But then let's see. Now the reason why I don't like taking at the hourly or lower time frame. So let's say, okay, now this one does not call for a swing. The lower time frame do not call for a swing, gang. Only for scalpers. So let's see if this zone is rejected. Sometimes it will just break because we still have that previous high. Boom. Okay. Come on. Let's go slow but slow, man. What's happening? Boom. That was broken. That was broken, gang. Alright. So this zone turned to strong. Then let's go back to our 4 hour. Come on. Okay, so we've not taken any entry, gang. So we just have to wait for price to go up, go up, go up. 4 hours is always golden, man. So let's see. Oh, come on, that was fast, man. The price did not wait for me. That's fast, baby. That's fast. Okay, look at this. So this is the strongest zone now. Look at this. That's strong. Then I'm really clicking this replay tool so fast, gang. So let's see. If price comes to this zone, this should be our first sell zone. Alright? Or rather, you can be patient and wait for price to come and test this zone before now going in. This should be your first target, then the second target. Okay? So let's see, baby. Oh, so that's the current market. Oh, come on. All right. So guys, I just gave you a signal. Price is almost hitting this zone, gang. Price is almost hitting this zone. So let's see how many pips. 55, but I usually like to take it all the way from the top because this is not strong. This is not strong. The strongest zone is here. So let's see with our Fibonacci, gang. So at the Fibonacci, we can see the 78 zone was rejected. That's what's happening. And now price is going back to retest the 61. So if it breaks the 78, the better. So let's go. Let me I said that was the last example, but then I've not taken that trade. So let's just look for another one that will give us. I had to rewind it all the way back, man, back. Okay, let's just rewind it all the way. Okay. So now nothing much, so we just have to see what price is doing or what price wants to tell us again. Oh, okay, this zone we should, okay, that's broken. Mhm. 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 Okay, so we have this zone, this strong. Okay, so maybe price will try to go up and retest this weaker zone. So what we just have to do maybe to see if we have a pullback to this zone, then we should take a buy, and then maybe that might not happen. So let's see if that pullback will happen. So nothing much. Okay, so price is just going to retest that previous high that is weak. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Come to papi, baby. Get ready, get ready, get ready, baby. Okay, surprise, I started to reject. Should be the first take profit, then the second take profit. Okay, so we have these weeks over here that I'm just waiting to see if price might fail. All right, uh, and let's go. If we hit that fib tool, then make it to the previous high again. Look at that. So that's the 78 zone, gang. All right. So with that rejection, let's see. Let me hit one and see. Pop. Come on. Mm-hmm. Nice. So maybe this should have been the entry, but at the back of our mind we still know that price might still go back to this zone at the zero, and if it goes down and to this zone and rejects it, that should be another added advantage gang. All right, so this should be the first take profit, the second should be this. So let's go. Right, price might go back to this zone and reject. Boom. So now guys, we need to change everything. So you can see that zone has been broken, of course. But before anything happens, gang, just get out of the trade. Take that L. So this should be probably, let's see. Um, let's see how many pips. 24 pips. We close that. We just have to go with that. Take that 24 loss before anything happens. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Look at that. All right, so with this tool, guys, anytime you see that the support, the resistance has been broken and it was strong, guys, just close the trade early enough. So this is why they say catch your losses early, guys. Catch your losses early. So we had that opportunity to cut our loss early when price went for that pullback. All right, so this was the break. Let me show you. This was the break, gang. All right, but after that, now we just took another 24 pip loss. So that was 30 plus 24, that is just 54 pip loss, guys. And we've taken so many wins. Remember, one win is up to 400 pips, gang, because it's swing. All right, okay, so let's go. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. So this zone has proven now, or has proven to be strong. So let's see. Look at this. So imagine you are still holding on to this trade, your buys. Man, that's risky, again. That's risky. Look at that. Now price is trying to go up. I know at the lower time frame, everything has changed. Everything has changed. Look at this, I told you, but only for scalps. All right, but I would have not taken that entry either way. I still go in for the 4 hours, guys. Okay, so let's go. So it's still weak, guys. Either way, at the hour time frame, we can see that this zone is strong, but then at the 4 hour it's still weak. So I'm not going to take that trade, gang. It can be broken anytime, unless is not broken and it proves to be strong. Then that's now when you have to buy. Okay, let's go up, 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 up. Get ready for sales, gang. Get ready for sales. Come on, let's go up, up, up. So when you see what's happening at the market, when you have this indicator, when you have this tool, is this an indicator really, gang? The smart money concept. Okay. So when you see all these pullbacks and everything, you know what's happening. But then just have to be patient and just wait for your the market to play good. So this zone is strong. Price came, retested, boom, 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 boom. So maybe if it goes up, it will give us another triple top before we take the sell. Nothing much. Come on, man. So let's say just to miss that entry, gang. Oh man. I've been clicking this replay tool without stopping. That's why I'm missing this entry. But still, we still have maybe another chance. Price might still go up to this zone, guys, before taking that sell entry, right? So price might go back. Okay, this zone before going down. Oh, come on. So either way, boom, that was smashed again. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, come on. All right, so with that rejection, of course, I was clicking this replay tool so fast, that's why we missed that entry when we saw that rejection. Okay, that was nice. Look at this at the hourly now, it's looking nice. So guys, when the hourly time frame and the 4 hours are correlating, all right, when they're all stronger zone, gang, now you can now take the trade the lower time frame for swing. All right, so look at this. So price went nearly to this zone. Sometimes let me bring that Fibonacci tool. Boom, to that previous low over here, guys. Look at it. So now look at this. The 78 zone was rejected, gang. So that's why you had to take that sell entry when you saw this. Okay, then your stop loss above that previous resistance, guys. Take profit should have been that previous week, the weaker low. Look at this, weaker low, 156. Boom. So far so good. No losses, 2 losses, but they don't mean nothing, gang. All right, so guys, if you learn something, guys, smash the subscribe button. And when trading this smart money concept, guys, be careful and see what the market's doing. If the stronger zone is broken, guys, you have to catch your losses early enough. All right, even if it breaks with 1 pip, guys, just get out. Call it a loss, guys, right? Because that zone is no more strong, so it's going to be broken. All right, you've seen I've taken those 2 losses. The price has not hit my loss, guys. I've just closed them manually. All right, so you need to be careful when the support or the resistance that was previously strong is broken, guys. Then that zone means it's now weak, and now price of course will break. Like I said before, in the beginning of this video, price will always go back and try to, will hunt only the weaker zone. So that means if that zone is not strong anymore, get out, guys. Even if it's 2 pip, 1 pip, 0 point something pip, the moment is broken, even with a wick, just a wick, and then price bounces back to your direction, get out. That zone is not strong enough. All right, just get out. Take that loss, guys. You rather take the loss 2 pips, 10 pips. Maybe you risk 40 pips, 20 pips, 50 pips. All right, so taking that 5, 10 loss is not bad, guys. All right. So, guys, thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and thank you for learning, guys. And like I say, if this content is lit for you guys, smash that subscribe button. All right. And I just proved to you guys that it's not all about the wins every day, guys. You have to lose in this forex market. All right. So before you start this journey, get ready to lose. Let me give you the reality, guys. I'm not going to sell you a nice luxury life, guys. When you're joining forex market, guys, you will lose. So that's the reality, guys. So even if you see me taking the wins, guys, we lose. Behind the scene, it's not what it seems, guys. We lose, gang. All right. So that's the reality. Either way, smash that subscribe button and let's lose together. Oh, come on, just kidding. Smash the subscribe button, guys. So it's all about the risk to reward ratio, right? You lose 1, make 2 or 3 or 7, whichever way. So you've seen I've lost 2, but I've made more than those. I've just lost 54 pips, but I've made over 1500 pips. So that doesn't count either way. But then be prepared to lose. That's the psychology part of it, or the psychological part of it, right? Or the reality part of it, gang. All right. Okay, so guys, until next time, man. Adios, amigos.